Dear kids, hope you all are very well. So, for your today's class, I am here with you as always. I am here for your English class. The one thing is that let me tell you one thing that till now all the classes were related to our active English workbook or active English book and EFT. Okay, so this class is nothing different from that, but today's class is designed especially for your speaking test. That means your speaking skill. Okay. The class that I am going to conduct, or the class that we are going to have today, this class is based on only your spoken English. Okay, babies? So, here basically we will discuss some of the random questions. Very common questions and very easier also. So these questions are basically you are being asked in your day-to-day life. So in this situation, how can you answer this? That will be the main idea of this class. Okay. So today's class, I have named this class that question answer session from about myself. That means about yourself, some of the questions you will be asked and how can you answer such questions. That will be the main theme of our today's class. Okay, babies? I know these questions are nothing difficult for you, but still once again I want you to go through the questions and I want you to answer the questions better. Okay, babies? So don't be worried about the questions. That means are the questions going to be in our exam? No, babies, this is not designed for your exam. This is especially designed for your speaking skill. That means I want you to improve your speaking skill. I want you to speak better English. Okay. So how can you answer a question faster in time? This is the main motto of this class. Okay. So no worries about exam. You just need to enjoy the class. You just need to have little bit concentration as always you do in the class. Okay, babies? So keep it up and follow this class. So today I would like to give you some of the questions about yourself. The very common questions like what is your name? You know your own name. And when you are asked that what is your name, you of course answer your name very quickly, very rapidly, that my name is Tiana, or my name is Todit, or my name is Arohi, my name is Onkita, my name is Iftikhar, etc. etc. So when you are asked that what class do you read in, what class do you read in, then you answer class 1. See, here actually the basic twist is here that sometimes some of the questions are like that we can answer it in a word, but there are some of the questions that we can't answer in a word. Okay, babies? There's a manners. Okay, when you are being asked a question, you need to answer it in a whole complete sentence. What is it? Like if I am asking that what is your name, do you only say the name, only the name in a word like Tiana Chakma? No. Rather you should say, you should answer, my name is Tiana Chakma. My name is Arohi Chakma. My name is Khatiman or Khati Joy. Okay. So in this way, the whole sentence is my name is. So you should also put all the words that are given in the question. Okay. Got the idea? That means you can't insert it in a word only. Okay, babies? So for your better understanding, I have written the questions on the board and I will write the whole sentence as answer, but you don't need to memorize them. Okay, you just need to follow the answer pattern, that how to answer a reply or how to give a reply properly. Okay, So these are the basic questions about yourself, that what class do you read in, how old are you, or what is your favorite pet, what is your favorite hobby, what do you do in your leisure period, etc, etc. Okay, so I hope you will enjoy the class. So let's get started. Okay, see, here the question, the class is actually named as question answer session. About what? Here in bracket it is myself, that means it is about yourself. All the questions are designed about yourself. Okay, so the first question is, what is your name? Suppose my name is Priyanka Borua. Okay, should I only write Priyanka? What is your name? Should I only say the name Priyanka? No, it's not the right way, baby. We can't answer it in a word. Okay, one word is not allowed here. Okay, for a polite manner, if you want to answer any question more politely and mildly with a decent way, you need to put whole sentence like, my name is Priyanka Borua. Okay, this is my name, that's why I wrote this. But you should write your own name. If your name is Onkita, you should write my name is Onkita. If your name is Boishaki, you should put Boishaki. If your name is Shetu, you should write my name is Shetu, etc, etc, whatever your name is. But you should fill up this portion also, that my name is dash dash. Okay, baby, so my name is here. Okay, I am writing just my name. Now, what class do you read in? Should you can't answer that class 1. Okay, it is not the right way. I again saying that, I repeat that only one word is not allowed. Okay, it's not the proper way. Rather, you should write, I read in what? Thus one Bengali version or English version. As you are studying in English version, so you should write, I read in class 1 EV. Okay, the main thing is that you can't answer it in a word only. Okay, you should write the whole sentence. Okay, babies. So now, how old are you? If you are being asked that how old are you, that means your age. Okay, suppose you are 8 years old, then you can write, I am, suppose you are 6 years old. Okay, so you can write, I am 6, or I am 6 years old. This one is also right and this one is also right. You can write, I am 5 or I am 6. Whatever the year is, you can just mention it, I am 6 or I am 7. Okay, babies? So what is your father? Here, see, when what is your father is asked, like it is, what does it mean? It means someone is asking about your father's profession. Okay, baby? Someone is asking about your father's profession. That means what activities does your father do? What is his profession? What is his occupation? Suppose your father is teaching somewhere, that means if he teaches, then it means your father is a teacher. If his activity is a business, then you should write, my father is a what? My father is a businessman. If your father is a service holder, then you should write, my father is a service holder. So what here, by what, it is basically indicating your father's profession. That means his activity. Okay, his work, his occupation. So you should write, you suppose, see, what is your father? See, my father is a teacher. Suppose my father teaches in a school. So if he is a teacher, so I should write, my father is what? What means here actually my father's profession. So my father's profession is basically teaching. So I can write, my father is a teacher. Okay, my father is a teacher. So if your father is a businessman, then you can write, yes, my father is a businessman. If he is a service holder, then you can write, my father is a service holder. If he is a restaurator, you can write, my father is a restaurator. If he is a banker, then you can write, my father is a banker. Okay. So in this way, basically what is here, by what it is mentioning that what's the work of your father, or what's the profession of your father. Okay. So now coming to the next question. Now coming to the next one, what is your mother? Again say, what is your mother means what does your mother do? Okay. So my mother is, as my mother is a homemaker, that means she is a housewife. She basically stays at home and she takes care of our family. So my mother is a homemaker. Okay. Homemaker means housewife. But I think instead of housewife, we should write homemaker, as they actually makes the home in a true manner a home. So that's why we should write the housewife as homemaker. Okay. Do you have any brother or sister? Okay. Do you have any brother or sister? It is about actually asking about your siblings. Do you know what is siblings? Siblings mean your brother or sister. Okay. Do you have any? If you have, then you can write yes. Yes, I have. I have a brother. If you, or sister. Okay. If you have two brothers, then you can write, yes, I have two brothers. If you have two sisters, then you can write, yes, I have two sisters. But if you don't have, then no, I don't. I don't have. If you don't really have. Okay. Now coming to the next question, see. Do you have any pet? Do you know what is pet? Pet means the animals that actually we keep with us in our home and we nourish them. Okay, we nourish them. Okay, so they are called pet animal. Okay, so do you have any pet? Yes, I have a cat, or I have a puppy. Do you know what is puppy? Puppy means the baby dog. Okay, or I have a pushy. Pushy means the baby cats. Okay, so I have a kitty. Okay, so yes, I have a puppy. So what is your favorite color? Your favorite color means your most the color that you like most. Okay, suppose you can write, you can't only write white. Okay, in one word you should write red is my favorite color. Okay, red is my favorite color. What is your favorite color? If your favorite color is red, then you can write red is my favorite color. If your favorite color is white, you can write white is my favorite color. If your favorite color is blue, then you can write blue is my favorite color. Or you can also answer it in another way, like in this way also you can write this, that my favorite color is, my favorite color is red. Okay, so you can answer it in two ways, like red is my favorite color or my favorite color is red. Now next question is, what is your favorite subject? That means which one subject you like most. Okay, that you enjoy, which class do you enjoy most. Okay babies, that's the your favorite subject. So you can write that. If you write the Bengali, or if you want to mention the music, then you can write music or art, or which class. Suppose you enjoy your science class most, or math class, then you can write math is my favorite subject. Maths is my favorite subject. Okay, or how can you write this? Or another way is like, my favorite subject is math. Okay, so these are the basically some of the most common questions that we are asked about ourselves. Okay, like what do you like most, or do you have any brother or sister, what is your name, what class do you read in, what is your most favorite subject, do you have any pet or not, etc, etc. The main idea of this class is that basically I know that you can answer all the questions very clearly and of course in a better way, but one thing you need to remember that you can't answer such questions just in a word. If you are being asked that what is your name, you can just mention just the name. Okay, you should mention the whole sentence, you should answer it in a complete sentence, like my name is dot, what class do you read in, not in class 1. Not only class 1 is allowed, you should write, or you should say that I read in class 1 EV. How old are you, or what is your age? You can just say 6 years old. You should say I am 6 years old, or I am 6. Okay, so in this way you should mention the whole sentence. In a complete sentence you should give your reply. Okay, so that's all for today. Don't take it too much seriously. It's a very it's a random class, babies. The class is based on the random questions. Okay, so the next part will be on the next class. Till then, stay well and take care.